Aries, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical illness is plaguing us at an all-time high, all at an age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my fountain of youth technique. But first, your word of the day is return to heart. What do you enjoy doing? Where does your heart rely? The beat of your own drum. Walk to that. The things that you like, you're not missing out on anything. There's no reason to be around, have to party, be so social, ask everybody their opinions. No. What is cool? What is fun? What do you enjoy? Get back to your essence. The beat of your own drum. Walk to the beat of your heart. What is those lyrics that are in your heart? What are the lyrics that's in your heart? What are they saying? I breathe light and stick to the essentials of my soul. In this present moment, I calm my thoughts and I focus on my heart and find a space to be where I find light and greatness. It's time to find your place to be, your place of solitude, your place of comfort, comfortability. We're not trying to fit in anymore. It's not about fitting into society. It's about being the custom piece that you've been made to be, your original piece. You came in this world by yourself and you're going to leave this that way by yourself, but you came in one of one. No one has your DNA. No one has the same fingerprint as you. Leave your fingerprint with your footprint. Leave your mark. I find peace in inner silence. Be the original who you are. I'm saying return to your heart. Remember, love one another. Be kind to one another. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you, and I love you.